Warning. This lasagna is dangerously cheesy, and I'm about to show you exactly how to make it. But wait, there's a secret ingredient hiding in here that takes it to a whole new level. Can you guess what it is? Stick around to find out. This is the cheesiest, creamiest white sauce lasagna you'll ever taste. And once you make it, there's no going back. Let's get started. Want 20 more lasagna recipes for free? Grab them at chefcrown.com/lasagna. Here's what you'll need. Lasagna sheets, ricotta, mozzarella, parmesan, garlic, butter, and our mystery ingredient. More on that soon. Tart by melting a whole lot of butter in a pan. No skipping. We're going all in. Add in some minced garlic and let it sizzle. Trust me, your kitchen already smells amazing. Then, whisk in some flour to thicken things up. Now slowly pour in milk and keep whisking. The moment we add in Parmesan, mozzarella, and ricotta, magic happens. Creamy, dreamy, and absolutely irresistible. Let's build this masterpiece. Start with a layer of that creamy, cheesy sauce. It's the foundation of greatness. Next, lay down your pasta sheets, then more sauce, more cheese, repeat. Because when it comes to lasagna, too much cheese is never enough. If you're loving this, I've got 20 more lasagna recipes waiting for you at chefcrown.com/lasagna. Final layer. Top it off with a mountain of mozzarella, because we need that cheese pull moment later. Bake at 375 degrees for 40 minutes. And trust me, the wait is so worth it. While that bakes, let's talk about that mystery ingredient. It's something that makes this white sauce richer, creamier, and way more flavorful than any lasagna you've ever had. Any guesses? And now, the moment of truth. Look at that. Golden, bubbling, and smelling like pure heaven. This is what dreams are made of. But what about that secret ingredient? Well, it's mascarpone. This secret addition makes the sauce silky smooth and extra luxurious. Now you know the trick. One bite, and you'll never go back to regular lasagna again. If you love this, hit that like button and comment your favorite lasagna topping below. And don't forget, grab 20 more amazing lasagna recipes for free at chefcrown.com/lasagna. Link in the description.